Hello everyone. Today is the second period of lesson number 3, Reproduction in Animals. Before going ahead, let us revise what you have studied in first period. Points to remember. Every living being has the ability to reproduce. Some animals that give birth to young ones are called as mammals. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs, from which young ones hatch out. Examples of mammals are lions, tigers, whales, bats, humans, dogs, cows, etc. All the mammals take care of their young ones. They feed their babies, clean them, keep them warm, and also protect them from the enemies. Several animals reproduce by laying eggs, such as birds, insects, fish, so they are called as egg-laying animals. Egg-laying animals are also called as oviparous. And some more examples of egg-laying animals or oviparous animals are frog and snakes. Oviparous animals keep their eggs in a warm place, or a parent animals sit on them to keep them warm. After few weeks, when the eggs are matured, the young ones hatches out. Eggs of all the animals have similar structure. The only thing in which they differ is the size and little bit of color. Here you can see eggs of butterfly. They are very small and of white in color. Now you can see eggs of fish. They are small in size and transparent. Now you can see egg of dinosaur. It is so big as compared to the eggs of butterfly and eggs of fish. But all these eggs have similar structure from inside. So let us study internal structure of an egg. The outer thin covering or a shell is called as eggshell. The function of this layer is to protect the baby which is growing inside. When you break the egg, you can see yellow color part which is called as yolk. The yolk in the middle is rich in fat, vitamins and minerals. Inside the yolk, there is an embryo which develops into a chick. Inside the egg, along with the yellow colored yolk, there is white jelly-like substance called as the albumin. The albumin is rich in proteins. The albumin protects the yolk and the embryo. At one end of the egg, there is a part called air sac. The air sac has air through which the embryo breathes while it is inside the egg. Young ones hatching from eggs look like their parents. Some look very different at birth, but as they grow, they look like their parents. Let us revise the structure of an egg. First one, the outermost covering or a thin shell is called as eggshell. To its inner side, there is one more layer called as egg membrane. Then there is a white jelly-like substance called as albumin, which provides protection to the embryo and yolk. The middle yellow colored part is called as yolk, which contains the embryo. And towards the end, there is air-filled sac, which is called as air sac. As you know, birds, fish, insects, snakes and frogs are some animals that lay eggs. All the birds reproduce by laying eggs. So, today we are going to study in detail how birds take care of their young ones till they grow up and how do they protect their babies from the enemies. Most birds build nests to lay their eggs. After the eggs are laid, one of the parent birds, usually the mother, sits on them to keep them warm. The baby birds start growing inside the eggs. It takes few weeks. After few weeks, when the baby birds are fully developed, they break open the shell and come out. Most of these young ones do not have feathers and their eyes are closed. Till the time the birds are small, one of the parent looks after them and the other parent goes out in search of food. Mostly, mother bird brings food for its babies. The parent birds take care of their young ones in every aspect until they grow strong enough to protect and look after themselves. Let us revise what we have studied till now. All the birds reproduce by laying eggs. When the birds are fully developed, they hatch out of the egg. Baby birds do not have feathers and even their eyes are closed. Parent birds look after them and feed them and even protect them from the enemies until they grow strong enough to protect themselves and find food for themselves. Today we will see some interesting facts about ostrich. As you know, it is the largest bird on the earth. The eggs of an ostrich are the largest eggs. It can weigh over 1 kilogram. See the difference of size between the normal egg and the egg of an ostrich. It cannot fly, but it is the fastest running bird on the land. It can run by the speed of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. It's fun time activity. You have to unscramble the letters to get the names of egg-laying animals. And your first word is this. I would like to give you a hint. Your time starts now. Time up. And the answer is lizard. Here is your second word. I would like to give you a hint. And your time starts now. Time up. And the correct answer is turtle. And the next word is, the hint is this and the time starts now. Time up. The right answer is fish. The next word is, and your hint is this. Time starts now. Time up. And the correct answer is, yes, it's snake. Hope you all have enjoyed the activity. Thank you.